With CBSE board exams 2025 round the corner, students often have several queries regarding eligibility, exam material, procedures, and more. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has clarified several important queries to ensure that students are well prepared and informed for the upcoming exams. Today we are discussing the most important common questions and their answers to help students navigate the board exam process smoothly. If a student fails in pre-board examination, does that mean they cannot appear in the board examination? Pre-boards help students to assess their readiness for the board exams. A student cannot be prevented from appearing in board exams if they are otherwise eligible. Are pre-board marks considered in final board exam scores? No, pre-board marks do not contribute the final board exam results. Can we use whitener or gel pens in the board exams? The use of whiteners is not permitted. However, you may use blue or royal blue ink gel pens. Are marks deducted for exceeding the word limit or for spelling errors in language papers? No marks are deducted for exceeding the word limit. However, in language papers, marks are deducted for spelling and other errors. Will the questions in board exams be based on sample papers? Sample question papers give an idea of the exam design pattern and question types. However, the actual exam questions may cover any part of syllabus, so prepare thoroughly from the entire syllabus. Is it compulsory to write the answers in the same sequence as in question paper? No, you may answer in any order. However, ensure each answer is labeled with the correct question number. Will extra sheets be provided for writing answers? Yes. Additional seals will be provided as needed. What if I hear rumors of paper leak before the exam? CBSE has a foolproof system of conducting examinations. Do not pay any attention to such rumors and unverified news. However, if such information comes to your notice, you should immediately contact CBSE by email or phone. Will I be allowed to go to washroom during the examination? Yes, you will be allowed along with an invigilator who will accompany you. If I complete my paper before time and hand over the answer sheet, then can I take my answer sheet back to make any corrections? You can request within the time limit, but it's best to submit your answer sheet when the time is over to avoid such situation. Do I need to retake the practical exam if I fail only the theory part? No, you only need to retake the theory exam as your previous practical marks will be carried forward. Can a student retake the board exams to improve scores after passing? Yes, a student who has passed can reappear for improvement in one or more subjects in the following year. How many times can a student appear for compartment exams in class 10 and 12th? A student may take compartment exams up to 3 times, one in July August, second in February March April of the following year, and third time in July if needed. What is the passing criteria for class 12th? Also applicable for class 10th? Students must score at least 33% in all the 5 external exam subjects as well as in internal assessment subjects unless exempted. For practical subjects, students must score at least 33% in both the theory and practical components. My writing speed is slow. How can I improve to complete my paper on time? Practice writing regularly to build speed. Before writing answers, organize your thoughts, and if time is short, use point-wise answers. Never skip the entire question. Do the marks increase or decrease after the process of verification of marks re-evaluation? The marks may increase or decrease after the process of verification of marks as per the actual marks obtained, and the candidate will have to accept the revised result. Will a new mark sheet be issued after verification or re-evaluation? Yes, a new mark sheet is issued if there is any change in marks. It is issued only after the old mark statement has been surrendered. By addressing these common concerns, CBSE aims to reduce student stress and help them stay focused on preparing for the exams. Students are encouraged to stay informed, follow the guidelines, and approach their examination preparation with confidence. So this is all for the video, and if you like it, please do subscribe the channel, like the video, and stay with the channel. Always more new and good videos is coming ahead, so stay with the channel. Thank you so much.